Hi dear friends and followers, how are you? We are unboxing today the YOOLOX wireless power bank, which is a very interesting product. It's usually now it's sold on Amazon UK or Amazon. This one is brought from Amazon UK, or it's a German company as far as I know, but it's made in China. Sorry. So it's a 10,000 milliamp power bank, and should be fast charge and have all what you need in one charge, and also portable, easy to carry on travel and things like this. So let's proceed with the unboxing. It's very easy unboxing this time. So let's cut it from here and cut it from there. I had done my homework quite well, looking for a wireless power bank, and also which is a good and efficient one, which has all what I need, all ports which I need. Now we are uncovered the young or small monster. It has a suction cup, 7 suction cups as far as I remember. This suction cup and it has also a pass-through wireless charge, pass-through charge, which that means that you can plug this power bank, you can charge it, and while it is being charging itself, you can charge your devices. It has 7 suction cups, as I told you, and this upper part is the wireless part. So I'm recording with my Samsung Note 8, so I have my old iPhone, which is not, of course, a wireless charger, but it will be a follow-up, another device. You can see how sturdy it is now. Try to shake it, try to drop it down. It doesn't. It's very, very, very sturdy. It's not meant to be dealt like this, because after a while I tried it and it can fall down, but it's not meant to try to shake it like this way. You have all the ports you need here. You have a USB-A Type A 3.0 fast charge, which I think, as far as I remember, delivered 12 watt. The USB Type C, which is the one in the middle, which have a power delivery, which is 18 watt. And also it has a micro USB for the charging the power bank itself. The USB-C is an input and output, and of course the USB Type A is just an output. And on the top there is the wireless charging pad. So all what you need is in this small thing.